Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to change currency in Etihad Airways. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process. So we are on Entertainer Me, and here we have a couple of questions answered related to Etihad currency. And yeah, so basically now how do you actually change the currency? So it's a pretty simple process. So how to change the currency that is used within the app. What you can do is simply to change the currency shown, simply go to account tab and tap on my information and select your preferred currency, and that's a pretty simple process. From the preferred currency option, you are going to be choosing whatever you would like to change it to. Let's say you are currently in USD and you want to change it to maybe pounds or something else. You can do that from there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the process. So to change the currency, simply go to account tab, tap on my information, and select your preferred currency. That's a pretty simple process and answer to the question. So yeah, if you have any further on questions and you think something is missing, you can simply comment down below, and I will try to get to each one. So yeah, sometimes it is required to simply change the currency to our native currency, and it because it is much more easier to understand the budget and values. So that's pretty much it for this one, and I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next couple of tutorials.